Welcome, my friends, to another Wendy's stock analysis. Today, Wendy's was green on the day, 1.88%, ending the day at $7.59. So I'm going to break down the 15-minute chart. Not much happened, just a rounded bottom. A break above 762 would be nice to see in pre-market tomorrow. With that being said, all of this means nothing until the squeeze or an eventual, price increase of the share. I don't do price targets, but I believe my followers are going to become millionaires off of Wendy's. All right, so you got 756 current price. You see this article right here. Wendy's smashes new record in Melbourne as next suburbs revealed. You can see the heavyweight smashed a global sales record in Australia as commercial property filings expose its next drive-through suburbs. The Dandenong South restaurant sold almost 20,000 burgers, 30,000 chicken tenders, and 6,500 Frosties in its first week. That gave the store the highest performing opening week in Wendy's global history. Love to see that. And then check this out. Jim Cramer, stubborn mule, he doubles down on lightning round. He says no to owning that stock. I mean, you're supposed to buy bottoms, sell tops. Wendy's is at the bottom. So I don't know, man. Jim's been in the game for decades. I've been in the game for 6 years. My squeeze track record is immaculate. I don't know what his is. But in any case, I'll be covering Wendy's stock until it increases a lot. See you guys for tomorrow's video. Peace.